Namaskar, and again welcome to all of you on this online platform known as Nishulk IAS, where we are preparing for the IAS and UPPCS for particularly and for other state civil service examination in general. Today, in our dictionary series, the word I have selected for you or the chosen for you are adamant, 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 adel, ADDLE, adel, adept, 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 adhere, 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 and adjective, ADJECTIVE, adjective. So the first word, adamant. Adamant means determined not to change your decision or the stand. When you have decided or have taken a decision about something, or you have chosen a stand that this I need to do and other options I will not adopt, or I am not going to transform my stand, or I am not going to change what I have said, or I am not going to backtrack. That situation known as adamant, determined not to change decision or the stand. In Hindi, it is known as atal or adig. Atal or adig. Number two, adel. To make somebody unable to think clearly. To make somebody unable to think clearly. But the sense here we are getting that somebody is making you confused. But the confused is not because of the problem sustaining around yourself. The confusion is because you are very much excited. When you are in the much of excited position, in that position also, you are unable to think clearly. So, to make somebody unable to think clearly, that means you are having the various options and very lucrative options, or the options that are attracting you towards them. So you are confused which option you have to choose, or some kind of activity is going to which you was waiting for or since long time. That means because it is happening, you are excited, and because you are excited, to make somebody unable to think clearly, you are not able to think clearly. So in Hindi, व्याकुल कर देना या भ्रमित कर देना. The first and the foremost and the most perfect is व्याकुल कर देना. And because of this व्याकुलनेस, व्याकुल होने के कारण, you got confused. You do not got confused because you are in the problem, and you are thinking which option you have to choose. Here the case is just reverse. The case is that you are excited about something, and because you are excited about something, you are unable to choose which option I need to adopt. So, व्याकुल कर देना या भ्रमित कर देना. Adapt. Good at doing something that was quite difficult. Good at doing something that was quite difficult. It was very difficult even to think that the BJP one day will come with the perfect or the complete majority in the Lok Sabha. But this task was taken by the that time of present leadership of the BJP and the RSS, and they were quite adept. That means good at doing something. They were quite adept to make sure the BJP should be in the comfortable and the complete majority in the Lok Sabha. Adept, good at doing something that was quite difficult. What was the quite difficult? Even to think that can BJP come with the full majority along itself, but that got happened. Adept, good at doing something that was quite difficult. Adhere, to follow firmly or behave according to particular rule, law and instruction. To follow firmly, to follow firmly, that means I have to follow these rules and the regulation, that is for quite sure. I am not going to change or adopt the other options. To follow firmly or to behave according, what to according? Rule, law or the instructions. That whatever your is behavior or the activities, that are bound to be done according to the rule, law or the instruction. In Hindi, पालन करना, follow, पालन करना. Adjective, a word that describes a person or the thing. A word that describes a person or the thing. Suppose, no, I'm not going to pronunciate that word. A word that describes a person or the thing. What example I should you give? ठीक है. Shahid-e-Azam. That means Bhagat Singh. In the last 2 or 3 video before also I have given this example. Shahid-e-Azam. Adjective. What is विशेषण? मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, विशेषण. राष्ट्र कवि, so automatically Maithili Sharan Gupta. So that kind of visheshan, adjective. A word that describe workaholic. A word that describe a person or the thing. Semi-automatic, fully automatic, automatic. Describe a person or the thing. Adjective in Hindi, visheshan. So adamant, adil, adept, adhere and adjective. These were the words for the 10th of August 2022, and please follow the appeal that has been made by the Prime Minister of this country and the Indian government to hosting the national flag from 13th of August to 15th of August to celebrate the 75th Amrit Varsh of Indian independence. Till tomorrow, thank you, goodbye and Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.